Welcome! The Employment and Career Counselors at Nokee Employment and Education Center have prepared this session to enhance your chances of success in getting the job you want. If you are sending your resume to an organization, you should accompany it with a cover letter. You may wonder why. After all, writing a cover letter can be a time-consuming task. It is tempting to skip this step, but in the competitive job market, a cover letter will help you to increase your chances of getting invited to an interview. A cover letter is an opportunity to help the employer see that your skills, knowledge, and experience match what they seek. An opportunity to tell the employer exactly why hiring you instead of the numerous other candidates is a good decision. An opportunity to explain why you are attracted to the job and the organization. An opportunity to say more about any difficult issues in your past which you fear, if unexplained, may jeopardize your application, such as gaps in your employment history. Do not miss this opportunity. After all, sending a resume without a cover letter is like sending flowers without a note. You will often be judged on the quality of the letter you write. Some recruiters may not read your resume if your letter fails to impress. The content is crucial, but so is appearance, the use of appropriate English, correct spelling and grammar, and the general professionalism of what you write. Let's get into the details of the structure of a cover letter and the key elements that need to be included. You can start giving information about yourself and use the header section to include your name, email address, telephone number, your postal code or address. Include a date, as you would do with any business letter, contact person's name, title, employer, and address. Including a specific name can get your letter and resume to the hiring manager more quickly and can be an effective personal touch. If you do not know the name, you can do some research by calling the company and ask for the department manager's name, or searching online. Include the job title you are applying for using the same wording used in the job position. Start with the introduction paragraph by saying how you found out about the position. Body of the letter can be 1, 2, or 3 paragraphs. Try to write a one-page letter and use these paragraphs to highlight the best information about your skills, experience, education, and personal characteristics that are directly relevant to the position. Provide specific examples of achievements to lend your cover letter more credibility. Match yourself closely to the position. Include information about the company. Closing. At the end of the letter, use the last paragraph to talk about your availability for the job, request an interview to further discuss your qualifications, and thank the hiring manager or recruiter for their time, and sign. That was the structure of a cover letter. Now, the key ideas that you must remember are: tell them why you are writing. Be specific about the job you are applying for, and tell them how you fit. Connect your background, skills, and experience to the position you are applying for. Give examples of fit. Cite specific work experiences that illustrate your fit for the position. Use their words. Use the job description to help make the connection between your experiences and their employee wish list. Now, here are our top 5 tips for writing a cover letter. Make sure you follow the instructions provided on the job description. Some employers may ask you to send your cover letter in one document with your resume. Please read the instructions carefully and follow them. Pick 2 to 3 skills or abilities you want to highlight, then offer examples of times you demonstrated those traits. Show what you can do for the employer. Focus on highlighting the skills and experiences you do have. Be polite and professional, but not fake. Don't use language that feels uncomfortable. Edit, check your spelling and grammar, and proofread your letter carefully. Your cover letter may be the organization's first impression of you, so make sure you spend some time on it. If possible, ask someone else to look it over to check for mistakes. Now it's your turn. Now is the time to write your cover letter. If you need examples or ideas, or you want to ensure that you have a well-written cover letter that distinguishes your application, you should contact one of our experts right away. Here's our contact information. Get in touch.